Look at that default. He's wild.
Look at that guy right there. No! You get back in! You schmuckhead. Okay. No, don't get out. No, don't get out! Are you dumb? Please get back in. You didn't see
Look at this default. He's like, what the
Look. It's sweaty time. We're gonna kill the sweats only. No sweats are going to come up to me and say, what's up? I'm gonna say, one pump, boom, 180 damage. They're gone for, they're done for. No minis, no nothing. Boom. That's how we do it. We're sweaty. Of course, if we can actually sweat. Well, as a reminder, please smash that subscribe button. I need 1K sub. Thank you. Look at them. Oh, look at all this. I think this one's a bot. Look at the sweat. Do you not see the crowbar? Let me see if I can find any slugfish. Yeah. Yes. What about this one? Yeah. Oh yes. Oh no 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 no. No! Okay, I'm pushing everybody. Oh my god, the whole lobby's landing here. This house has my name on it. So don't try it. Oh no. Oh no. No. Got chest! No. This guy's an AR. Come on. 90 HP. Come on, get me in, get me in! What? Where are they? No! No, get away, get away, get away. Ping, stay low. Stay crossed. Haha, my ping is lower than you. Oh, on. Get me in, get me in! Oh no. Go away! Stop sweating! No! Oh, what a shame. Give me a gun. Bye-bye. Woo! No, I just want... Get back in, get back in, get back in! Hello, boy. What are you doing? Think I'm not meant to be! Oh! Look at this sweat. This... You could obviously tell. Do you see the sweat coming out of his face? Like, he's even... Come on. No, 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 no. No, go away! Let off! Go-wee! Oh, shivering me timbers! No, you're not. No, you're not. No, we're not. Yes! Oh. He's angry. He's mad. Oh.
This is not right. This is not cool.
Come on then. Peek. Peek. I dare you. I dare you. Oh, no, no, I'm not gonna. No. I'm not gonna bloom fight, I swear. Are you out your mind? Ooh. I'm gonna box up. I don't care. Go on then, I dare you. Oh. We're low, are we? We're low. We're low. Oh no. No, I'm not gonna take that trick. I know where you're going. Wait, where did he go? I knew it, you were here. I knew it. Just remember that other kid that took the porta potty? Yeah. Where the hell is he? I need to track him down. Oh boy, where are you? Won't fight me then. Come on. No! I am the god of Wolverine. Okay? You don't know about this, but I'm the secret Wolverine. You see, I just did that, yeah? And then now you see, I almost flipping took my claws out my flipping gloves. But no. Fortnite. Oh, we like Fortnite. You like Fortnite. Ah, you see, you fool. I've been trained by Joe Mom. Have you all noticed now Tony Stark has the sweatiest skin? Like, come on, bruh. Okay. Hey, I what? No, come here, come here. No, you ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere. Nah. What? They're teaming! Oh, they're all sweats. Wait, actually, no, these two are not. This one, Craig. This one's just gay. This one is a sweat. This one's just Nikkei 30 that just makes PG videos and tells everybody not to swear. The same guy is gay. Boy. Come on. We're gonna take this. Then I'm gonna take this and run away. I'm not feeling nice today because of all of the sweats. Oh! Boom! 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 Are you? Come on then! Yeah, come on, go on! Boom! 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 Oh! On. This guy really hates his life right now. Not spectating. Oh no. No. Oh, come on. Not another one. I'm not going to Oh, this guy hates his life. He hates his life. Oh, wait, hold on. Someone tried to camp up here. Okay, that's a smart idea. Oh, look at all this. Purple pump. Oh, purple pump. No. Purple pump. No. Purple pump. No. Purple pump. Ooh. Did not expect that, even though I was shouting it like 5,000 times. Ooh. Oh, scary. 3, 2, 1. We get it. Ooh. Ooh. No way! It just stopped shooting. Why? Controller. Come on. It wasn't jumping. Just wasn't shooting either, you know? It's just vibing, not shooting at all. No, you ain't. Don't try it. Do not try it. I told you not to try it, but you did, obviously. Did you notice I'm here? Has he actually noticed I'm here? I dare you to edit. Where the hell is the LMGs? Oh, there they are. Bye-bye, that's all I needed. Good job with this camp in there. Wait, what? Why am I here? Oh. What the hell here? Shooters, what are you doing? Oh, on. No way! Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, now I know what to do. We land at Doomsday Main, right? Yeah. Decent idea. Not really. We get the LMGs and an AR. We boom out of there. We boom out of there. We get mats. We get healables. We get... There's no launch pad. We get bouncers. We get shockwaves. We get all kind of stuff. Even flipping bandage bazookas. That's what we all need. Look at this sweat. Just never... You never stepped out of your house before, have you? He's a tier 3 sub. Oh my god. He's already we haven't even... Oh my god, look at the tier 3 sub. The tier 3 subs have arrived. Yes. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh, I have an AR. Don't try it. No way, this kid's aim is like the gods of God. Why am I not jumping? I should have jumped. Oh my god, I hate